In today's video, I'm going to take you along as I style my dining room table with these florals that I picked up from Trader Joe's. It is called a seasonal bouquet, and lately, the last couple of months, I have been enjoying buying the real bouquets. I've never been an artificial plant type of girl, so yeah, so I'm gonna take you along. And a little disclaimer, I am not a professional decorator or designer. I'm just sharing with you things that I enjoy, and this is just real life content over here on my channel. And I just love to decorate and clean and organize, so I'll be sharing that with you here on my channel. So yeah, so stay tuned. So I just cleaned the two vases that I do have. I'm not sure which one I will use. And so this is the taller vase. And then I have a shorter vase, but I think it's for more of a larger bouquet. So I think I'm gonna use the taller vase. Sorry if you see any smudges on the glass. I cleaned it the best I could. I even used some vinegar. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill the glass with lukewarm water. Not half full, but about a third of the way full. This is just how I do it. You know, if you guys have any tips, please let me know. And this is the flower food that came with it. So yeah. Right here, I'm going to be using my kitchen shears to cut the stems at a 45-degree angle. And I have seen this on several YouTube channels. That's where I got the idea from. But I also Googled it, and I'll add the information as to why you cut the stem at a 45-degree angle. So I decided to add all the greenery first, and there's no right or wrong way to add the flowers in. You just place them in and position them to your liking. So those are some daisies, and so I think I had two of those daisies. So I put one on one side and one on the opposite side. I just tried to make them symmetrical. But I'm sure there's a proper way to place them, but this is just me sharing with you how I arrange my floral bouquet.